I'm at Mulholland and Las Virgenes, and the road is blocked here because of the Malibu fire, and there's a police car over there. But the Nandays there's a bunch of Nandays around there, and I started to go the other way, but the Nandays were just going on about, said, fire, don't go that way. They were very informative. I'm going to try to sneak up here and talk to them, even though the policeman is here, so probably I won't accomplish my goal, but we'll see. Where's the Nandays? Where's the Nandays, man? Shrike! Shrike! Shrike, Shrike! Where's the Nandays? Nanday, Nanday! Nanday, Nanday! What's up? I know this. Nanday? Nanday! Shrike! Shrike? Where are you? Who are you? Woodpecker. Shrike? What is that? Where did you go? They're gone. The Nandays are gone. There's a lot of traffic. I think this is an emergency route down Mulholland. Darn. Everything okay? Oh, good. You okay? Where did the Nandays go? Oh, thank you. They went this way, back this way, they said. I lost them. They're gone. Nandays are gone.